All right, so you ready to jump into this Power BI thing?
Absolutely. Yeah, let's get into it.
Okay, cool. Cool. So basically, you send over this PDF, Power BI, data visualization and business intelligence.
Right.
It seems like a really good starting point. So we're going to kind of go through it.
Right.
And introduction to Power BI. It's, like a pretty standard intro.
Mm-hmm.
It's, it's what is Power BI? Why is it important? All that good stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It lays the foundation for, what we're going to be talking about.
Okay.
Really emphasizes the power of Power BI to connect with data, transform it, and then visualize it
Okay.
in a way that's easy to understand. Imagine like all those spreadsheets that you're always working with.
Yeah.
Think about pulling all that data and information from like marketing reports, databases, putting it all into one place. Power BI, that's where it shines.
Okay, awesome. So this second slide jumps right into key features of Power BI.
Right.
It talks about dashboards and data discovery and all these different data sources and even mobile access.
Yeah, they want to show you just how much you can do with Power BI.
Okay.
These dashboards are amazing. They're like these personalized control centers for all your data. You can explore trends, see what's happening, and because Power BI is available on your phone or tablet,
Right.
you can have these insights wherever you are.
Okay. Yeah, that
Okay.
makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Now, slide 3 is data sources and connectivity. And the list of sources is really impressive.
Mm-hmm.
It seems like it can connect to everything from Excel files to online services.
Yeah. This is Power BI's versatility on full display.
Okay.
It really doesn't matter where your data lives, whether it's in the cloud, a database, or even a text file.
Wow.
Power BI can connect to it.
Ah.
And think about how hard it is to combine data from different departments.
Yeah.
Power BI, that's how you get rid of those silos.
Yeah.
Yeah. Definitely a problem for a lot of us.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, slide 4 gets a little bit more technical.
Yeah.
It's called data modeling and transformations. I'll be honest, those words always kind of make me zone out a little.
I get it, but it is a super important step.
Okay.
Think of it like baking a cake.
Yeah.
You wouldn't bake a cake without measuring and mixing your ingredients first, right?
Right.
That's what data modeling is. It's all about prepping your data for analysis.
Okay.
You clean it up, you reshape it, and make sure it's all organized so that Power BI can use it to find insights.
Okay, the analogy helps.
Yeah.
So slide 5 then talks about visualizations and dashboarding.
Right.
It's basically taking this prepped data
Right.
and bringing it to life with all these different visuals.
Exactly. You've got bar charts, pie charts, maps, everything.
Wow.
Power BI gives you this huge toolkit of visuals so you can tell the story of your data and make it really compelling.
I like it. But for example, you could compare sales figures with bar charts, share market share with pie charts, or even track customer locations on a map.
Exactly. And remember, these visuals aren't static images, they're interactive.
Okay.
So you can explore your data in real time.
That's awesome. All right, slide 6 switches gears a little bit and focuses on collaborating and sharing reports.
Right.
It talks about, working together with others, discussing what you're seeing in the data, and even setting different permissions levels.
Yeah. Now,
Yes.
Power BI moves beyond just you looking at the data and becomes this tool for teamwork.
Okay.
You can share those dashboards we talked about with your colleagues, clients, stakeholders,
Yeah.
so that everybody's on the same page. And, of course, there are built-in security features to keep sensitive information safe.
Makes sense. Now, this is where it gets really cool. Slide 7 is advanced analytics and AI.
All right.
We're getting into the future here, talking about predictive modeling, machine learning, and even natural language processing.
This is definitely the cool stuff. This lets you dive deeper into your data
Okay.
and uncover hidden patterns and trends. It's like you can use your past sales data to figure out future demand or analyze customer behavior to create more personalized marketing campaigns.
Okay, that's incredibly powerful. All right, slide 8 is about integrating Power BI with PowerPoint, which I think is a really interesting feature.
Mm-hmm.
Think about all the presentations you've seen that just have these static, boring charts.
Right.
Power BI actually lets you put live interactive reports directly into your PowerPoint slides.
Yeah.
Imagine being able to present your findings
Yeah.
and then click on a data point and have the whole report update right there in the presentation.
Exactly. It makes for a much more dynamic and engaging presentation.
Absolutely. Slide 9 is use cases and industry applications. It's kind of a quick overview of how Power BI is being used in different industries.
Right. The main point here is to show that Power BI isn't just for one specific industry or department.
Okay.
Whether you're in finance, marketing, healthcare, education, it doesn't matter.
Right.
Power BI is flexible enough to fit.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. We hope you found it helpful.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have any questions or want to go deeper into any other topics, just let us know.
Yeah, we're here to help.
All right. Thanks for listening.
Thanks.
We'll catch you next time.
Bye.
See ya.